Yo, listen up. I'm gonna spit some hard facts at you. You're looking like a skinny Fruity Pebble boy. You know why? Cause you don't got gains like this. These were made by the gods. And to get here, I need three elements. Dedications, patience, and hard work. Now you got none of that. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. One, whey protein. No way! This shit tastes like piss. So, next step, anabolic French toast. You need bread, you need a bowl of eggs, and you gotta cradle this little bed. These bad boys, they need to be cradled and broken when time's right. On top of that, you need pans. Each pan for each bicep. Now you start repping real hard. All right, let's go. First, you take the little eggs. You don't get a spoon. You don't get none of those forks. You break it. You break it. No pain. It's pure egg matter. If it gets too messy, please clean it up. All right, cut to the kitchen. Let's go. All right, to get this shit rolling, you don't need strength, you don't need skill, you don't need none of this shit. You need just a single finger. And trust me, ladies, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. So you just gotta stir it up real good. Feel the liquid, feel it all. That is class, that is strength, that's your protein intake coming through. That's all the chickens who died for you. They're coming through. They're spirits. They're coming for your muscles. Second step, get some brown bread. It doesn't matter if it's white or brown, we don't discriminate. It's all about getting the bread. It's all about getting the muscle. We keep grinding. Take one, dunk it. Dunk it. Soak it real good. Because you're not just soaking egg into your bread. You're soaking pure muscle. You're soaking the truth. The truth that you're going to make some good French toast. You're going to make some anabolic French toast. Alright, take the second one. Keep it going. Coat that. You find a shell, you dunk it in. Oh, yeah. Now, what you feel here is God telling you, you can't be like me, but you can try. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. It's good. Oh, yeah. Now, again, I repeat, you can't be like me, but you can try. Alright. Once you got that, that's the beauty of French toast. Bonjour, bon appetit, arrivederci. Let's go. Ooh, that's some good butter. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that's calories right there. We just gotta wait for it to melt to the bit. But if you can't wait, just keep it. Let it dance. Let it dance around the pan. Because that makes a man. Let's keep it going. Yeah. Now you make it flip. Ooh, baby, that's good. That's the butter. That's a butter. When you get bread, you need butter. Alright, now you get your beautiful French toast, anabolic French toast. Take a look at it. Hey, camera boy, take a look at it. And it's simple. You're just gonna slap that down. Ooh, yeah. Get one of these and start digging. Digging for the juice. Digging for the muscle juice. This is muscle juice. You wanna be like me, you wanna be the superior man, the being with all the muscles? You gotta do this. You gotta keep digging. Digging. That's how our ancestors came this far, because they kept digging. Oh yeah. Boom. Another one. This is good. Smells like superiority. Oh yeah. Smells like grace. Smells like God's sweet old booty juice. Damn, I love it. Oh, my God. I think we made it, gentlemen. Let's go. All right, now, time for plating. Get a big spoon or a little spoon. I go for the big spoon because that gets my biceps rolling. Plating, that's it. It ain't about the plating, it's about the calories you take. Your body is an engine, and this is the fuel. Biodegradable fuel. There's no camera there. It's fucking. Now, just feast, gentlemen. Just feast. Because I'm telling you, man, if this was liquid, I'd be slurping this shit all day. It's too good. It tastes like pure victory. This is how man evolves to legend. This is when Pikachu became Charizard. Evolution. Too good. This came from that. Just from that. Anabolic French toast. Bon appetit, girl. I mean, bon appetit. If we're gonna get rid of the shells. You know what your mommy said? Finish your table. Finish your plate.
What's rule number 1 of the gym?
Keep grinding. Never give up.
And what's rule number 1 of food?
Keep grinding. Never give up. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is too good. Oh my god. Oh fuck. This is what testosterone feels like. This is the difference between a boy and a man.
That's so, ladies and gentlemen. For all you skinny little bastards out there, this is secret tip. Traps. Arms. Ignore leg day. We don't give a shit about that. I'll catch you guys next time. I just need to increase my metabolism. See you later, boys.